Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Hair Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world which make you feel more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new video. In this video, guys, we will talk about a long pixie cut haircut. A long pixie cut is a short length cut where the hair is longer than a traditional pixie cut. Long pixies are usually shorter on the back and sides, while longer on top with long bangs. It's the best haircut for women who want a low maintenance short hairstyles that isn't too short. The new pixie is one of the trendiest haircuts for spring summer 2022. The modern version of it, categorized by volume and length, that aim of a sense of naturalness as though it were a crown out version of a once international haircut. The best face shapes. Almost all pixie hairstyles look great on oval, square, and heart face shape. This particular style looks great on round face shapes because it provides angles which visually softens the face roundness. A pixie haircut is a great solution of a contemporary woman on the go. It's convenient, pretty, and appropriate for hair of any type. Pixie haircuts for thick hair are full of texture and manageable volume. If your hair is fine, you may also choose the right pixie haircut that adds dimension and boosts thickness of your short locks. Guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye ideas. And if you want this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut or hair color which you want. By taking a screenshot, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my videos, share my videos to your friends and family so they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing ideas and amazing hair colors. That's all in this video guys. Please subscribe to my channel